What I do, back at it again, and I'm so happy to have you guys back here on my channel. This is her crown, because today we are talking about hair. It's not a vlog, so we are back in a her crown, and today we are reviewing this baby. And I'm just gonna go straight into showing you guys how I actually wash my hair using this, and then towards the end we will have a review. All right. Alright, so I'm back from washing my hair, and I actually put it in this clip just to give it a bit of time to air dry, because I do want to hair dry my hair, so I want to lessen the amount of heat damage that I do put. I'm not gonna record the whole hair drying process, but maybe we can do a separate video for that. But I'm gonna use this Tresemme heat defense spray just so that I can minimize the amount of heat damage, and then spray on this side as well. As you can see, my hair was really starting to buff up, which I do not like, and I forgot a comb. I'll be back. Okay, sure, I'm gonna use this hair dryer. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna comb my hair like, oh, that's a knot there. I'm basically gonna comb my hair from down going up, just so that if I do come into contact with some knots, then you know it's easier. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna ask my mom to help me because I don't want to be drying my hair myself. Okay, bye. I'll come back later. Okay, so I have also straightened my hair, and yeah, this is how it looks. And I did add a serum. Let me show you. I added this Afri True serum, but even before, I feel as if my hair did have a bit of shine when I had just like used the hair dryer, like a tiny bit of shine. And a review on this, let's get back to this. It claims to condition, your hair intensive condition treatment. It strengthens, deeply infuses moisture and prevents hair breakage. And it also says that it prevents breakage while detangling and adds an exotic shine. I definitely do feel as if it does add the shine. Like, it's a small shine that I just see when I just like blow dry my hair. Whilst I was straightening my hair as well, the shine was coming in. And breakage wise, I did suffer a bit of breakage, but my hair was very dry because I was not moisturizing my hair for like the past 2 weeks. I was just using water. And another thing that I feel as if, what is the other claim? Moisture, I can say it does moisture because it did get a bit of shine, but the breakage part, maybe not so much. Maybe if I use it often and I'm consistent, I'd be able to see results in that department.
I take it back. So after a few days, I can say whilst combing my hair, I was experiencing less breakage, which is very good because my hair was dry and was breaking so much.
But all in all, I think it's definitely something that I will try. And another thing is, I didn't have a hooded dryer, so I feel as if maybe if I have a hooded dryer, it'll help to intensify the treatment. So get me a hooded dryer, holla at your girl, you know. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Please do share this video, I would appreciate it.
Trailer of sailoring.
Bye.
Trailer of sailoring.